Hi, dear students, welcome back and good morning. How are you all? Are you all excited for my class? So, this is going to be my second class for you, right? And our second chapter. So, the first chapter, Badal Rani, was a wonderful chapter, right? It was a Balgeet. That means it was a kavita. It was a wonderful kavita. We all said that kavita. We all said the meanings. We recited the kavita. It was really, really beautiful. I was really happy with your work and thank you for your work. It was really wonderful. So, I hope the class was interesting and you all understood everything. So, today we have a small difference in the class. Okay, so last class, Badal Rani, I took the class for you. I said the meanings, you all understood, you all asked your doubts, and it was easy, right? It was a good class. And I gave you the works, immediate works, and you had to submit it. So for this chapter, okay, we'll do the class, we'll say I'll give you the explanation, and then what happens is I'll give you just one work, okay. The other works are going to be live. It's going to be in a question answer basis, so it is going to be live. Okay, so the second chapter we have is Badal Kaha Hai. Okay, this so the second chapter we have is, sorry, Barish Kaise Mili. So it is a Chitra Kahani. Okay, Barish Kaise Mili. It's Chitra Kahani. That means it's a picture story. Okay, it's filled with pictures. We all know comics, storybooks. All right. So we have our comics and storybooks, and that we have Chitra Kahanis, different types of comics. Okay, so Chitra Kahani means comics. So Parish kaise mili? So I'll give you the first picture. All right, here goes your first picture. So this is your first page. So you can see the heading as Barish kaise mili. Barish is what it was. The whole ikai itself is about barish. That means rain. Barish kaise mili? How did we get the rain? Barish is rain. Kaise mili? How did we get? Mili is to get. Okay, so how? So बारिश कैसे मिली? Okay, so we will start the chapter, right? I hope you all are interested and ready. All right, we are starting the class. Okay, now I'll read you first conversation. All right, so I'm going to read the first conversation, and we all know this is a story based on rain. Okay, so we know that पानी बरसता है जीवन. Water gives us life, and water is so important for us. We can't live without it, right? So here we have a comic to make us understand the value of water. All right, so we can see that. So first we have here conversation between lots of animals. There is a bandar who goes. Bandar is what? Monkey who goes in search of water. For whom? For a saras. Saras, who's saras? We all know saras as crane, the bird crane. Who's the crane bird? In Malayalam we say that it's the kokku pakshi, right? We see in the rivers, in some waterlands, we see that white slim bird kokku in the way. Okay, so that is saras. That means crane. Okay, so we can see the first two exchanges. Okay, so भैया बहुत प्यास लगी है, क्या करे? So the crane, that means the saras, asks the monkey that भैया, brother, बहुत प्यास लगी है. I'm very thirsty. प्यास means thirst. Okay, बहुत means very thirsty. So भैया, brother, I'm very thirsty. Okay, क्या करे? What will I do? क्या करे means what will I do? Alright. So the monkey, बंदर, replies, पानी कहीं नहीं है, चलो बारिश को ढूंढे. There is no water anywhere. पानी कहीं नहीं है. पानी, water, कहीं नहीं है, nowhere. पानी is nowhere. चलो बारिश को ढूंढे. चलो, we'll go, come. Okay, चलो means come. बारिश को ढूंढे. बारिश is rain. को ढूंढना means to search. We'll search for rain. Okay. सो नाउ देयर इज मोर. वो बिल्ली के साथ बात करते हैं. बिल्ली, हु इज बिल्ली? वी ऑल नो, सी द कैट्स इज नोन एज बिल्ली. सो ही टॉक्स, द मंकी, और बंदर बात करता है बिल्ली के साथ. ओके, सो वो बिल्ली से मिले. ही मेट बिल्ली. सो व्हाट डज ही आस्क? म्याऊ जी, बारिश कहाँ मिलेगी? सो द बिल्ली रिप्लाइज, बारिश मिलेगी बादल के पास. ओके, नाउ वील गो टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन. Meow ji. Meow ji is what? The Billy here in the chapter is called as Meow. Okay, Billy's name is Meow. Meow ji is with respect. Meow ji. बारिश कहाँ मिलेगी? Okay, where बारिश is rain. Okay, where will we get the rain? मिलेगी, कहाँ मिलेगी? Where will we get? Okay, where will we get the rain? So the cat replies, that means Billy replies, बारिश मिलेगी बादल के पास. बारिश मिलेगी, we will get the rain with बादल के पास. It's with बादल is clouds, so we will get the rain from clouds. So बारिश मिलेगी बादल के पास, we will get the rain from clouds. So बारिश is rain, मिलेगी is we will get, बादल is clouds, and के पास is with the cloud. के पास, it's with him. Okay, so that was the first page. So what all happened in the first page? So a सारस पूछता है बंदर के पास, भैया बहुत प्यास लगी है, क्या करे? Brother, I'm so thirsty, what will I do? So the बंदर replies, पानी कहीं नहीं है, चलो बारिश को ढूंढे. There is no water anyway, come, we'll search for water. And then it goes to the cat and he asks, म्याऊ जी, बारिश कहाँ मिलेगी? म्याऊ जी, where will we get the water? So the म्याऊ जी replies, बारिश मिलेगी बादल के पास, we will get the water from the clouds. Okay, so that was your first page. Okay, now we will move on to the second page. So here goes your second page. All right. Okay, now we can see more and more people are coming to the story. Now it is monkey, so we have Bandar, Billy or Saras. Now there's three people. They all came together and they all are going in search of water. So the Bandar चलते चलते वे बकरी के पास पहुँचे. They kept on walking. So चलते चलते they kept on going और वे बकरी के पास पहुँचे. And they reached near the lamb, the goat. Okay, बकरी is goat के पास पहुँचे. They reached near the goat के पास, near पहुँचे, reached. Okay, बहन जी कहीं बादल को देखा है? So बंदर asks बकरी that, बहन जी कहीं बादल को देखा है? Sister, कहीं बादल को देखा है? Did you see cloud? So कहीं, did you, sorry, कहीं is anywhere. बादल को देखा है, anywhere did you see the बादल? That means the cloud. हाँ, वह तो बूढ़े बबुल के में फंसा है. Okay, so here there is बूढ़े बबुल. बूढ़े बबुल is, बूढ़े means old. We all know we have बूढ़े पापा और बूढ़े दादाजी, बूढ़े मामी जी. That means our old grandfathers and old grandmothers and old aunties in our home. So बूढ़े means old. बूढ़े बबुल. Bubble is a tree. We all know the tree. It is easily found near the sea areas. That means the coastal areas. So it is called as acacia. If you ask your parents, you will get to know from that. It is called as acacia tree. Okay, so we can see that. So he says, हाँ, वह तो बूढ़े बबुल में फंसा है. So बूढ़े बबुल is the old acacia tree. It is an old, really old acacia tree. So the goat replies, हाँ, it is with the, it is फंसा means it is trapped. Okay, it is trapped in the old acacia tree. You understand? Now there is everyone. Now there is the बंदर, सारस, बिल्ली और हमारा बकरी. वो तीनों आ गए किसी और के पास. ओके, आगे उन्होंने बैल को देखा. नाउ दे ऑल वेर गोइंग इन सर्च ऑफ द बूढ़े बबुल हु हैज़ द क्लाउड्स, which the clouds have the water. So now they all, four of them are going in search of water. Okay, so आगे उन्होंने बैल के को देखा. So in front of them they saw what? The cow, बैल, the cow. Okay, so now there's two exchanges between बंदर और बैल. Okay, बंदर is monkey and the cow. So I'll read the two exchanges. दादाजी, बूढ़ा बबुल कहाँ रहता है? उधर बाड़ी के पास.